From your Food Nerd POS dashboard, easily locate and click the Record Expenses quick action. This instantly opens the form, streamlining your daily financial management. Next, select the appropriate expense category, like food, from the drop-down menu. This helps you keep your finances perfectly organized for clearer reporting. You can then accurately detail each expense, as seen with Food Bought for Staff. This ensures transparent record keeping, vital for your comprehensive financial overview. Effortlessly input the exact total amount of your expense, ensuring every transaction is precisely accounted for. This guarantees accurate financial tracking. Enhance your records by adding any extra notes for crucial context or future reference. This ensures comprehensive documentation, making audits and reviews significantly easier. Finally, click Record to securely save your expense. You'll receive instant confirmation, giving you peace of mind that it's successfully updated. Watch as your dashboard instantly updates to reflect the new expense, clearly showing the change in total expense. This real-time visibility empowers smarter financial decisions. With Food Nerd POS, managing your business finances becomes effortlessly clear and precise. Take complete control over your spending and maximize your profitability today.